Right, so today what I thought we'd do is have a look at some division. Now, I thought before we actually get stuck into the number crunching, we need to talk about what division actually is within the context of what we're going to be doing. So what I'm going to do here, and I promise this is not an art class, but what I've done is drawn my version of a jar, and I'm going to put some marbles inside of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will do. And we're going to imagine that we have to divide these marbles equally amongst two children. And so the easiest way of doing that is to take out groups of two until we've dished them out proportionately. So we give one marble to the first child and one marble to the second one. That's one group of two. And we take out two more and give one marble to the first child again and another marble to the second one. And then we take out another group of two, take out another group of two, and then we take out the final group of two, and of course we don't have any marbles left, so we're done. And of course you'll see that each child receives 5 marbles, and of course that makes sense because we know that 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now let's have a look at the relevancy of this in the context of doing a sum. So let's see, let's say we'll keep it fairly straightforward, 256 divided by 2. So we start by setting it out in a fairly straightforward manner. And now, thinking about what we did previously, we need to remove groups of 2 marbles, or groups of 2 in this case, until we don't have any left. Now I'm pretty good with my 2 times tables, and I actually know that 100 lots of 2 is 200. So I'm going to start by removing 200. So what I've done is 100 lots of 2 is 200. I'm going to take those 100 groups of 2 away from our 256 and see what's left. So 6 minus 0 is 6, 5 minus 0 is 5, and 2 take away 2 is nothing. So we've taken away 100 lots of 2 marbles, that's 200 marbles, and we're left with 56 marbles. Now again, I also know that 20 lots of 2 is equal to 40. So I'm going to take away 20 lots of 2, that's 40. 40 marbles, or 40 in this case. Now 6 take away 0 is 6, and 5 take away 4 is 1. So I've taken off another 20 lots of 2, I'm left with 16 now. Now again, I'm pretty much okay with my 2's, and I know that 8 lots of 2 is actually equal to 16. So I'm going to take off my final 8 groups of 2, 16 take away 16 is 0. So that way I know that I've removed all the marbles from our jar, if we think about it that way, and there's nothing left. So I'm actually done. So first of all, I removed 100 lots of 2, and then I removed 20 lots of 2, and finally I removed 8 lots of 2. So let's have a look. Altogether, I removed 128 lots of 2. And there we have our answer. Now, you may not think that that's the most convenient method of actually getting the answer for this particular sum, but I think you'll have to agree that conceptually it does make sense, and we do understand the process of what's going on there. So there we go. Again, I hope that was helpful for you, and again, even if you choose not to use this method yourself, it might make those hieroglyphics that you've seen in your child's workbooks a little bit more understandable. So bye for now, we'll see you again soon.